In today's video, I am going to teach you how to back up your website in Godaddy. To begin, log into your Godaddy account and open the My Products page. This is the main area where you can see the services and websites connected to your account. Once you are there, scroll down until you find the Websites plus Marketing section. In that section, locate the website you want to back up, then click Manage next to it. Make sure you select the correct site, especially if you have more than one website in your account. After that, click Edit Website, or in some versions, Edit Site. This will open the visual page builder for your website. Give it a moment to load fully so all of the editing tools appear. You do not need to make any changes to your content here. You are just opening the editor so you can access the backup option. When you are inside the editor, look at the top toolbar and find History. Depending on your screen size, this may appear as the word History or as a clock icon. Click that option to open the History panel. This area lets you manage saved versions of your website, which is useful if you ever need to go back to an earlier version after making changes. Next, click Create Backup. You will then be asked to enter a name for the backup. Choose a name that is clear and easy to recognize later. For example, it is helpful to include something like the date or a short note about why you created it. This makes it much easier to identify the right backup if you need to restore your site in the future. Once you have entered the backup name, click Save, or in some cases, Create. This stores the backup in your account's history panel. After it is saved, your backup will be available there for future reference. It is a good idea to check that it appears in the list so you know the backup was created successfully. Creating backups regularly is a smart habit, especially before making design changes, updating content, or rebuilding pages. It gives you a safety net and helps protect your work in case you need to undo something later. That covers everything you need to know.